Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Revel Nail, and these are from their 6 years anniversary mystery box. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Arcade, and this is a very beautiful glitter mix. Next is in the shade Alley Oop, and this is a orange shade with silver mica. And for the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying my nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. You can also use acetone to dehydrate your nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my dip powder application, which is applying a thin layer of the base on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So as always, I will be applying one layer of clear on all of my nails. This will just build up the thickness of my nails. So after one layer of clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my colored powders. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base and then immediately dip my nail into the colored powder and then tapping off the excess. So I will be applying the shade Alley Oop on my pointy, pinky, and thumb. And I also use toothpick to clean up around my cuticle area, and I do this every time I dip. So then after the first coat, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my second coat. So after 2 layers, I wasn't really satisfied with the coverage and the opacity of my nails, so I went for 3 coats of this shade. So then once I'm finished with Alley Oop, I move on to my next powder, which is Arcade. And this one I really like. It is such a beautiful color. And I will be applying this on my middle and ring nail. And I apply 2 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with all the colored powders, I went back with my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this because it will protect your colors and your glitters from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished with clear, again I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera and then I brush off all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. At this point, you can also wash your hands if you want to. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat and I apply 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can also use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.